Welcome to the fascinating world of organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of carbon-containing compounds. It focuses on the structure, properties, composition, reactions, and preparation of these compounds. The study of organic chemistry is essential because carbon is unique in its ability to form a vast array of compounds, making it the backbone of life on Earth. Organic chemistry is crucial in food technology for several reasons. First, it helps us understand the chemical makeup of food, including nutrients, flavors, and preservatives. Second, knowledge of organic chemistry allows food scientists to analyze chemical reactions during cooking and food processing, such as caramelization and fermentation. Lastly, it is fundamental for developing new food products, enhancing flavors, and improving nutritional content. The smell of freshly baked bread results from chemical reactions involving organic compounds, and the sweetness of fruits comes from natural sugars, which are organic compounds. The role of carbon in organic compounds is fundamental. Carbon's unique properties make it the backbone of organic chemistry, enabling the formation of a vast array of complex molecules essential for life. Key concepts: carbon atoms. Carbon is known for its ability to form stable bonds with a variety of other elements, particularly hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. This capability allows for the formation of complex molecules that are essential for life. Covalent bonds. In organic compounds, carbon atoms typically form covalent bonds by sharing electrons with other atoms. Each carbon atom can form 4 covalent bonds, enabling it to link with other carbon atoms and various functional groups. Unique properties of carbon: diversity of structures. Carbon can create long chains and ring structures, resulting in a diverse array of compounds. This versatility is why organic chemistry is so complex and interesting. Stability. Carbon's ability to form stable covalent bonds allows for the persistence of organic molecules, making them suitable for biological functions. Examples from daily life. The backbone of sugars, like glucose, is made of carbon atoms, which are essential for energy. The structure of fats, or lipids, in oils and butter contains carbon chains that affect their melting points and uses in cooking. Classification of organic compounds. Key terms: hydrocarbons. These are compounds composed solely of carbon and hydrogen. They can be classified into alkanes, which are saturated hydrocarbons with single bonds, like propane and gas for cooking. Alkanes, which are unsaturated hydrocarbons with at least one double bond, such as ethylene used in ripening fruits. And alkynes, which are unsaturated hydrocarbons with at least one triple bond. Functional groups are specific groups of atoms within molecules that determine the chemical properties of those compounds. Common functional groups include alcohols, like the OH group found in beverages like beer, specifically ethanol. Carboxylic acids with the KO group are present in vinegar, which contains acetic acid and gives it its sour taste. And amines with the NH2 group are found in amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Examples from daily life include the alkanes in fuels. For instance, methane in natural gas is commonly used for cooking. Another example is the presence of carboxylic acids in fruits, which contributes to their tangy flavor. Now let's move on to the basic nomenclature of organic compounds. Key concepts to remember. The naming of organic compounds follows the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, or IUPAC rules. These rules provide a systematic way to name compounds based on their structure and functional groups. To name a compound, one typically identifies the longest carbon chain and the functional groups attached to it. Examples: butanol, a 4-carbon alcohol, is commonly found in some alcoholic beverages and is used as a solvent. Ethanoic acid, also known as acetic acid, is a 2-carbon carboxylic acid found in vinegar. It's widely used in cooking and food preservation. Examples from daily life. When you buy vinegar, it is labeled as containing acetic acid, which is an organic compound that enhances flavor and acts as a preservative. Labels on beverages often mention the presence of ethanol, which is an alcohol. Applications of organic chemistry in food science. Examples: flavor compounds. Organic compounds like esters and aldehydes are responsible for the fruity and floral flavors in foods. For example, the aroma of strawberries is largely due to the presence of an organic compound called methyl butanoate. Preservatives. Many organic compounds act as preservatives, preventing spoilage. For example, sodium benzoate, a common preservative in acidic foods like pickles, inhibits the growth of mold, yeast, and bacteria. Examples from daily life. The use of citric acid in fruit juices not only enhances flavor, but also acts as a preservative, thanks to its organic nature. The distinct smell of roasted coffee comes from various organic compounds formed during the roasting process. Conclusion and summary. In this lecture, we explored the fundamental concepts of organic chemistry and its crucial role in food technology. We defined organic chemistry and highlighted the importance of understanding carbon's unique properties, including its ability to form diverse and complex compounds. We classified organic compounds into hydrocarbons and functional groups, emphasizing their relevance in everyday foods. The naming conventions of organic compounds were discussed, illustrating how a systematic approach aids in the identification and understanding of these substances. We also examined real-world applications of organic chemistry, particularly in flavor development and food preservation, showcasing how these concepts manifest in our daily lives. Understanding organic chemistry is essential for anyone working in food technology, as it lays the foundation for further exploration of food composition, safety, and innovation. As we proceed through this course, we will build on these principles, delving deeper into specific compounds and their implications in food science.